So you might be trying to figure out how you can use your saved audio on Instagram. Now doing this is actually very basic, but the very first thing you want to do for the most part is just go ahead and make sure that you do have some sort of saved audio. So in this case, what I've done is I just went to Kim Kardashian's whatever Instagram page. You can see that there's a little audio option up here that you can pretty much just click on. It'll take you right into here, and all you're going to have to do is go and click on use audio. Or what you can do is you can click on the top right, or what you can do is you can just bookmark the specific audio like this, or you can just go and click use audio and it'll take you straight into the specific panel that allows you to go ahead and pretty much use an audio like this. But in this case, you can go and save it, whatever you want to do. Now in this case, you can go ahead and make your way over to your specific story panel. Now in this case, you can't really use saved audio within your story. You'll have to make it via a reel. So in this case, we'll go into reels, but you can always save that reel and post it on your story. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and click on the audio option that we were just in, and it'll take us right into here. Now, up here, it'll show us our saved audio. So what we can do is we can go and click on saved, and you can see that there's all the saved audio that we've already had. So if you haven't saved any audio, like I said, all you have to do is go and click on that bookmark little option that comes up when you're actually, saving an audio. And what you want to do here is go and click on that little audio right there. And now at the very bottom, you can go ahead and swipe through, and I think you can choose the duration. So I guess you can't with this one, it's too small. But then whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and make your audio whatever you want it to be. So you can click done, and then you're ready. So in the background, it says we can record up to 34 seconds of audio. That's how long the audio is. So now we can go and hold this down, we can go and talk, we can go and do our audio, whatever it is. And then whenever we're ready, we can let go. We can edit this specific reel, whatever we want to, and we can post it, or we can save it, and then we can go and post it on a story. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.